question here from Jonathan, and then real quick, I'll put Jeff's reply in here as well. So Jonathan's question: any tips on speeding up the Win32 apps version of an M365 apps for enterprise install during Autopilot? And Jeff's reply was, don't do it during the ESP. Not necessarily the answer that you may want, but is good advice.
It is a good advice, but I mean, there are a couple of things you can do if you run it as a Win32 app. And we did some testing with this like 2 years ago, performance testing.
Mm-hmm.
But just making sure that the DO is set to foreground for it. So if we pretend that this application here is Office, it isn't, but on the assignment level, make sure, it's hard to see there, but make sure to flip that Office setup over to foreground. That would cut the installation time or download time down in half, give or take, compared to not having it in foreground.
Mm-hmm.
So that would be a good start, this setting here. The other one would be to leverage local cache servers. So we covered that a couple of times here on the Academy, but if you spin up cache servers, either the one that comes with Config Manager or the standalone one that is free to download and use, that is managed through Azure, it will speed up significantly. And this was the only way we were able to deal with large applications, like really large applications.
Well, when it comes to speeding up and getting content to the right place, I defer to you, sir. So thank you for that.
Of course. I mean, the issues we often see is folks are throttling DO and they are throttling too hard.
Mm-hmm.
So that Autopilot gets upset. And it doesn't help that updates are getting bigger and bigger either. But for that particular phase, it's avoid big apps if you can.